This smart lock combines a high-resolution door camera, full video doorbell, and keyless entry into one clean unit, so you do not need separate gadgets on your door. Fingerprint recognition is impressively quick and reliable, and you still have the flexibility of a keypad, smartphone app, voice control, or a physical key when needed. The companion app makes it easy to check who is at the door, review recorded clips, and lock or unlock remotely, which is especially handy when you are away from home. A large rechargeable battery, solid metal build, and weather resistance rating suitable for extreme cold and heat make it a strong choice for exposed front doors. The included chime doubles as local video storage with a microSD card and helps keep the connection stable, so footage and alerts remain responsive without mandatory cloud fees. Installation is straightforward on most standard deadbolt cutouts, letting many homeowners upgrade to a smart video lock in under half an hour with basic tools.